Hi, I'm Sona Chetwani. I have my studio in Hyderabad, SC Design Studio, and we are into interiors and building solutions. And the good news for me is this is my 25th year. I'm an interior designer by profession. I've got my qualifications from Griffith University, Queensland College of Art in Brisbane. And I specialize in interiors. We do both commercial and residential interiors. We are also into turnkey solutions. We've almost completed 300 projects so far. I've been able to get my works featured in this magazine, and I love the quality. And Surface is more or less like a family now to me. I think I know everybody around here in this group. And my association started when I was the chairman of Triple ID, where Vartika had called us all to Delhi for this women gathering, some conference we had. I think it was almost 15 years now. So congratulations, Surface, for your 15 years of completion. And the exhibition, I think it's getting better and better. And I was just walking through and I just realized that now you're going and having curations of the niche products as well. So having completed 25 years and being associated with the students as a visiting professor and having a lot of interns in the office, one thing we realize that there is a lot that the younger designers can do with this internet world. Don't totally depend upon the internet. Be a little more original and stop being cut and copy. Show your discipline and master your mind and bring in your signature style, bring in your voice to the design. Also, I would advise you to show curiosity, come to these kind of exhibitions, join organizations like Triple ID, IIA, where you get to communicate with the architects, interior designers, contractors, and various vendors. It's a very good platform. And you should visit all these exhibitions, which these people take so much of effort to organize, to bring you on board. There is nothing like a quick service or a quick money in interiors. You need to work hard. And overall, I can say just enjoy the process of being a designer and enjoy every day as a new day in interior design. That's what you should learn from this. Surface has always been a very encouraging magazine, and the kind of branding and the advertisement that you are covering is amazing. And I love that the way you are encouraging the youngsters too. I basically have approached few of the younger designers and have used this furniture in my project. And I think, you should keep doing this because that's bringing a lot of awareness to the designers across the country. So I think that's a very good initiative, and I think the team should continue to bring in more awareness of the new things that are happening across the country and encourage the Made in India factor throughout. Thank you.